Media relations program elements. The effectiveness of a program or a campaign often depends upon the level of marketing efforts implemented before the program actually launches. And well after it ends, media relation is a cost effective marketing tool to reach a target audience on a small or a large scale using the broad reach and the influence of the media. The following four elements of the media relations are cornerstone for achieving the most positive results. That is planning, media tactics, executions, and follow ups. So, whatever your brand may be, a multinational conglomerate or a small business you run out of your garage, you need to connect with the media to tell your story. Media relations are integral to reaching the new customers and developing advocates for your brand. That the principles of any media relationship strategy says relationships are essential media relations success. A personal not a select reports about your organization news even prior to announcement will go much further than throwing the pot of spaghetti noodles on the wall and hoping a few stick. So understanding leadership objectives, it's easy to put the wheels in a motion when executing your media relation strategy. So if leadership is more focused on a specific result, it would be wise to develop a strategy around that instead of spinning your wheels and wasting precious time and resources. So planning is no secret that the success of campaign or event largely relies upon the planning that goes into. So the focus of media relations planning is to help reporters and media representatives better inform the public. So it is your job to deliver the most complete and concise for information for a valuable story. So media outreach requires the same meticulous preparation and thought that is invested into the program you want to promote. So once program objective have been solidified, it's good time to begin the public relations planning process. So which establishes the appropriate audience, key media sources, relevant media materials, and messaging program spokesperson, and the option for the media event or a press conference. So you have to be determine who are your target audience. It is important to know the audience by raising awareness about a particular issue. Your organization can help initiate change. The media can help driver your message to broad audience. So, but it is imperative for establish the best primary and secondary recipients of the message. So next planning, or we can say the strategy we are using, that is media tactics. With your communications planning, the key messaging finalized, it is time to begin generating interest for your program with active media outreach. So making the pitch, like pitch means meeting. Media professionals are always on a deadline and have a little time for a long story pitches. Remember that you are not only the trying to get reporters' attentions. Anyone can pitch a story. It does not rest execute exclusively upon the spokesperson. The most effective way to begin sharing a story with the media is by telephone or an email. Be aware of the preferences of individual media professionals, since some may prefer to receive news releases by fax or email instead of telephone. Execution, after a period of detailed planning, making media contacts, and booking appointments, it is time to launch the media campaign in order to create ongoing visibility for the program. So, briefing the media, the best way to impact the member of the media is to conduct personal face-to-face briefing where media materials can be passed on and questions are handled efficiently. So while this meeting situation is ideal, it may be hard to secure face time with every journalist. So use the following tactics to help you in seeking and obtaining coverage. So that one is media releases customize, that is depending upon their medium and specialty area, each media professional will interpret interpret and use the information you provide differently. Take time to customize your message and media release for the targeted journalist. And through media alert also issued only in preparation for media events serves as an informational invitation that helps break down the elements of a media event, which will highlight your program in a newsworthy fashion. Like media kits relevance and concise packet of program information used by the media, so as a source to develop their story. So also establish appropriate contact person from your program. And next one is follow. After sending all the written materials, follow up with the journalist to ensure receipt and answer questions. Because there is no evidence that visibility in the media motivates. So the behavior or influence attitudes, and because more managements are expecting behavior change or motivation rather than merely wanting to dump information, and unwilling publics and new media strategy is needed over there. Next one is program follow-up and recap. Again, the follow-up process is important to maintain constant contact with the media as well as solidify the focus of your story. So even after you have successfully pulled off a great campaign, it is imperative to keep in touch with the media contacts and monitor your progress with program recap. So final media follow-up, this is the last chance to secure coverage for your program. Your contact should be like timely, wait no later than a week following your media event. That is, and next one is informative, provide and any additional information to media, concise. So journalists appreciate brevity and clear information, and that gives the complete meaning of the content. Okay, there are 6 types of releases: business features, consumer service features, financial features, product features, and pictorial features. And last one is public service announcements. So business feature is like important form of publicity, highly prized by many organizations, that how it features your